Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I want to welcome you out to Jay's Learning School. Today, we're going to discuss 14 ways to say good job. And as always, I am so excited about today's lesson. Thank you for all of the new subscribers to the channel, and thank you so much for the encouraging comments that I have been reading over the last few days. So let's get ready to get to it. Before we get into today's lesson, as always, I want to invite you to go ahead and become a subscriber. Hit that subscribe button. That would let me know that you appreciate the content that I am producing and I am helping you to learn better English. Also, if you would hit that like button, it would help me as well as the channel and letting others know about what we're doing here at Jay's Learning School. Okay, let's get into it. I have just over 20, well, no, I have under 25 words today. So this is going to be a quick video that I teach you 14 ways to say good job. Are you ready? Let's get into it today. All right. So our first word is I am impressed. I am impressed. So let's pretend that we're talking to a young lady by the name of Stacy, and Stacy does a good job. And so one way we would express to her that she has done a good job, you would just say, man, Stacy, I am impressed. Or if you wanted to say it quickly, I'm impressed, Stacy. I am really impressed. And that's basically saying, good job, Stacy. Let's go to our next word. Excellent. I use this in my vocabulary all the time. Excellent. Stacy, that is just excellent. If Stacy washed my car, man, you did an excellent job washing my car. Excellent. Excellent. Another way that you could say good job, I'm proud of you. I am proud of you, Stacy. Stacy, you made all A's in class. I am proud of you. And that is basically saying good job. Another way that you could express to someone that they have done a good job is by saying that's fantastic. That's fantastic, Stacy. If Stacy came to me and said, Daddy, I just made $100 trading stocks, I would say, wow, that's fantastic. Or good job. That's another way of saying good job. That's fantastic. Let's go to our next way of saying good job. What a great idea. What a great idea. If Stacy came to me and said, Daddy, can I make some extra money by babysitting? Man, that's a great idea, Stacy. What a great idea. Or good job. Way to use your head. Way to use your mind. What a great idea. Okay, another way to say good job. Wonderful. Wonderful. Stacy, that is wonderful. Wow, Stacy, wonderful. Wonderful. Great. 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 Stacy, that's great. And so she would be able to understand that I am communicating to her, good job. Great. Okay, for our next word. Wow. 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 Stacy comes out and shows me that she did something. One way that I could tell her she did a good job at it. Wow. Wow. This is one of my favorites. I like to say, way to go. Way to go. Way to go or way to go. Way to go, Stacy. Way to go, Stacy. Way to go. Good job. Daddy, I stayed at home by myself all night and I didn't have to call you at work. Way to go, Stacy. Way to go. Another way that you could express good job is by saying nice job. That's a nice job. You've done a nice job. That's a nice job, Stacy. Nice job. Nice job. Marvelous. 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 Stacy, that was marvelous. Now, This is a slang term, but it communicates good job. Excuse me. Cool. Cool. Stacy, that's cool. That's cool, Stacy. Stacy, that is cool. 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 Now, this is another slang term, but I use this as well. You've got skills. If Stacy designed my YouTube channel for me, a way I could tell her great job or good job, man, Stacy, you've got skills. Or when I go out to a restaurant and the waiter or waitress did a great job, girl, you got skills, Stacy. Good job. So that's a way you can communicate to someone that they've done a good job. And our last way to communicate to someone in English that they have done a good job is by simply saying, you are good at what you do. You are good at what you do. Stacy, you are good at babysitting. You are good at washing cars. You are good at making great all A's. You are good at what you do. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. I've taught you 14 ways that you can say good job. If today's lesson has really helped you, please give me a like. If you've learned something, give me a like, as that will help the channel. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to become a subscriber. It's my desire to one day have at least 1,000 or more subscribers to where I can live stream and we can communicate back and forth live. So if you're not a subscriber and you enjoy the content, give me a like and a subscribe. And if you have any comments, make sure you leave those comments down in the comment section, and I will try to address as many as I can. Once again, thank you so much for watching today's video. I've taught you 14 ways to say good job. I hope you join me on my next video here on Jay's Learning School on my YouTube channel. And I say have a great day and God bless you.